Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name's Teresa, and in this video I am going to compare the finish on Bare Minerals powder foundation using this on one half of my face to the Bare Minerals original liquid mineral foundation on this side of my face, just to see what the difference is and what the finish is. For context, I am 53 years old and I have oily skin, but mature skin. And I have used Bare Minerals powder foundation on and off for years. I currently am using more cream-based products, but I am still curious what the finish is on the two of these and how they look. So, and I apologize for any jackhammering noises you hear. I'm in a neighborhood with new construction, and of course the day I choose to film is the day they decide to whip out the jackhammer on the new construction. So that's what you hear in the background. For the powder foundation, I don't have the exact same shade as the liquid that I'm using. I picked medium beige number 12, and I hope this is a good match. I found this at TJ Maxx for $12.99 the other day, so I haven't used this yet. So I'm gonna try that. And then for the powder, I didn't wanna go buy a new one because I have several jars of other shades. So what I'm going to do is mix a little bit of medium with some of the golden beige, and that should be a pretty good mix as well. And then I'm going to top both sides with some of the original Veil powder on top once I get that on. I've already primed my skin with the CoverGirl Outlast All Day Primer. I talk about this in another video where if your skin's like mine, which is very oily, I feel like this does a better job at making your Bare Minerals last even longer throughout the day. So you might give that a try. All right, going in with the powder foundation with the original brush, you swirl it in the cap, tap off the extra, and then apply. So here we go. And if you haven't used it before, just use little swirling motions. Try not to lift the brush too much. That way it kind of ensures even coverage. So doing my best to just go down one side of the face. And I'm really hoping this looks okay using two different finishes today because I'm just gonna start working all day. So hopefully I don't think it's gonna be too big of a difference, but I could be wrong. Maybe just go in one more little layer. All right, I'm gonna stop there. And that's the side with the powder foundation. And now we're gonna go with the Bare Minerals original liquid mineral foundation, and this is in the shade, as I said, medium beige number 12. I'm gonna pump some on my hand here. I haven't used liquid foundation in quite a while. Oh, seriously? It's not coming out. Hang on. Okay. It took a few pumps to get started. So I've got some on my hand. I'm gonna take this brush, which is from L'Amore. I've had it for a while. It's a flat kabuki. And I'm just gonna swirl a little bit here and apply on this side. I hear the hammering pretty loud. I don't know if you all can hear it. I feel like this one is a little bit darker for some reason, but I really don't think it is according to the container. Honestly, I feel like they look kind of different, which I have to work today, so this is going to be interesting. So here's the difference. I am going to kind of come down the middle only because, like I said, I am working. I need it to be, I don't want like what looks like a line down the middle of my face. So there we go. All right. So let's take a closer look. So this is the side with the liquid foundation on this side. This is the side with the powder foundation. It's funny because going into this, I thought, just based on the fact that I've been using cream products for so long now, that I would maybe like the look of this side better. But I kind of think I like the look of this side better as I look. But what I'm going to do is, it may be the shade difference, and I don't know, maybe it's the lighting. I'm at the window and it's, kind of like a partly cloudy, partly sunny kind of day. But I feel like this one has a little bit orangier tone. Anyway, I am going to go actually finish the rest of my makeup just to give it a final comparison. I am going to top both sides with the original Mineral Veil powder, and I'll come back with the finished look. I am back with the final look. So here we have it. This is the side with the Bare Minerals powder foundation with the Mineral Veil on top. And this is the side with the Bare Minerals original liquid foundation, also with the original Mineral Veil on top. Otherwise, both sides have all the same makeup on. So let me know what you think. I still think this is the winner, the powder foundation, but let me know your thoughts below and let me know what other videos you would like me to try. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.